Hello and welcome to Pensions 101, a series designed to help you understand your pension. My name is Davinder and today we'll be looking at what your pension pot should look like in your 30s. By the time you reach your 30s, you're likely to be in charge of your own money and have an idea of what you want your finances to look like. It also means that your 30s are a great time to start thinking about your pension savings. So, what should your pension look like in your 30s? According to some financial experts, by the time you're 35, your pension pot should be double that of your annual salary. And recent data shows that the average UK couple needs £210,000 across their pension pots for a comfortable retirement. If you're starting from scratch age 30, this means you'll need to save £198 a month. This monthly amount goes up as you reach your 40s and 50s, so it's better to start saving early. There are a lot of ways to boost your pension pot in your 30s. Firstly, make sure you are on your employer's workplace pension scheme. New auto-enrolment rules mean that from April 2019, your employer must make a minimum contribution of 3% of your qualifying earnings into your pension pot. Some employers will even match your contributions, which means more free money. If you're not sure whether you're enrolled in your workplace pension scheme, check with your HR team. Next, it's a good idea to track down any old pensions. If you've had multiple jobs, you'll likely have several pension pots that you've lost track of. Finding them will give you a better idea of how much you've got saved. Consolidating your old and lost pensions will help you manage your pension more easily by bringing it all into one place. Plus, combining your pensions could help you reduce the fees that you are paying. This means less of your pension pot is eaten away in charges. Finally, setting up regular contributions can be a great way to boost your pension. Making automatic payments into your pension can help boost the size of your pot, helping you put away the money before you're tempted to spend it. Your 30s is an ideal time to build strong foundations for your retirement savings. With a little planning, you could be well on your way to a healthy pension pot and reaching those retirement goals. Remember, your pension is an investment, and as with all investments, the value can go up as well as down. Capital is at risk. That's it for now. For more information on saving for your retirement in your 30s, please check out our blog. The link is in the box below. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or tips, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.